Hello beautiful friends, welcome to Casa Naturals. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to make cucumber glycerite. So I'm just showing you the cucumbers that we are going to use. Make sure that you go for fresh cucumbers. So we are going to use vegetable glycerine. So glycerine can come from both animal and vegetable sources. Yes, we are going to use a mason jar, a bowl, so now we are going to get a knife and we'll start peeling off the cucumbers. So like cucumbers are ideal for use in facial eye care products. So this cucumber extract will refresh the weakest of skin. So this extract is also excellent for adding to cleansers, toners, and it also has moisturization properties due to the glycerine content. So traditionally, cucumber slices have been used in homemade eye compresses and face masks, and cucumber naturally contains ascorbic acid, which is vitamin C. It also contains caffeic acid, so those nutrients help to soothe skin irritation and reduce swelling. So it soothes, cools, and reduce under eye bags and help to reduce dark circles around the eye. So cucumber also helps to brighten the skin, so it's helpful in brightening products. And one thing you have to note is that cucumber actually is extract is not soluble in oil. So if you add it to oil based, it will not mix. So you can mix it into water-based products such as creams, cleansers, shower gels, and toners. Of course, there are quite a number of how you can add it in water-based products. Yes, so like the shelf life of this cucumber glycerite is 2 years. That is if you keep it in a cool dark place and it's preserved. So when it comes to dosage, it is very important to note that you only need to add at least 2 to 4% in all water-based products. Some even go for 5 to 10. Yes, so the water stage, you add it to the water stage, or you can mix it directly to ready-made water-based products such as creams, gels, washes, soaps, and etc. So we are going to cut our cucumbers into sizable pieces. So I even eat a piece there, like I really love cucumbers. Okay, so we are done like cutting. I'm just going in to cut the bigger pieces. So we are going to get a bowl and transfer our cucumbers into that bowl. So that's how they look like. So I'm going to get a mason jar, and you need to be precise with the measurements. Yes, so like I had used 50 grams each cucumber, so meaning that about 100 grams of our cucumber. And of course, like it's quite difficult to tell the water content in the cucumbers. And you have to make sure that you sterilize all your tools. So you have to be meticulous about cleanness. So I'm getting our vegetable glycerine. So I measured 150 grams of our vegetable glycerine. So glycerine acts as a humectant, drawing moisture to the skin when it comprises under a certain percentage of a formula. Greatly recommended, like of course 6 to 5, some go for 5 to 10%. So at high percentages, glycerine can be against, can actually do the opposite. It will draw moisture from skin. So glycerin can function as a preservative, but you have to make sure that you preserve it. But of course, it can stand by itself. But in this context, or in this formulation, there is some water content like from the cucumber, so we are going to preserve it. So that's how it looks like. So like I waited if for a day so that the preservative can, like, I don't know, like be well distributed. Yes. So we are adding in 0.6% of our natural preservative. So preserving is very important because it will prevent bacteria and mold. And make sure that you close your jar very tightly. And you have to make sure that you shake it every day. So like I had to leave this glycerite, cucumber glycerite, for 7 days. So that's the recommended time to leave the cucumbers, 5 to 7 days. So it's been 7 days and our cucumber glycerite is ready. So we are just getting a bowl and a strainer. So we are transferring our cucumber glycerite in a mason jar. So you have to make sure that you label your product with a date, ingredient, and everything else. So that can help you to pinpoint. Yes, so very important. Yes, so